So we are going to unbox this Arbon charging cable, USB cable. Is micro USB to micro USB to USB Type A. We'll just check it. How's the quality? Well, the packaging seems okay. I have used brands like Pitron and all because I have a dog in my home and these cables get damaged every time. Okay, the quality seems very good and it cost only 89 rupees, so it's justified this price, and quality of wire is also good. Thank you guys for watching. Only that, it also comes with a 6-month warranty. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Here's a phone number as well. Good job, Arbon.